2023, 1 in every 10 jobs will be in the hospitality and tourism sectors. If you love the hospitality industry and everything it has to offer, there's never been a better time to join. For individuals who receive solid education and training in the field, finding a stable and satisfying job couldn't be simpler. 90% of all graduating students find employment within just 3 months. HTMi ensures the graduates get their careers off to the best possible start. This is your opportunity to enroll in a well-established, high-class Swiss educational program, featuring state-of-the-art facilities in the vibrant city of Dubai. All nationalities are welcome to learn, train, build lasting relationships, and be recruited by the top hospitality companies worldwide. There are so many wonderful destinations, from Switzerland to the Middle East. With UAE becoming a world-class tourist destination, the industry is expanding to include countless additional hotel developments, tourist attractions, and much, much more. Dubai is a city like no other, where dreams become reality. Inspiration can be found on every street, and people from across the globe unite. Join us in celebrating the start of a new and exciting journey. Rise and shine. Come as a student, become a manager.